Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Wrike via Google Workspace, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser. Type in the Wrike URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Wrike website. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see various login options. Select the option that says Login with Google Workspace. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your Google credentials. If you are already signed in to your Google account, you may skip this step. Otherwise, enter your Google Workspace email address. Click on Next to continue. Now, input your password associated with your Google account. Click on Next again. At this point, you may be asked to approve permissions for Wrike. Review the permissions and click Allow if you agree. After granting permissions, you will be redirected back to Wrike. You should see your Wrike dashboard if the login is successful. Now you are ready to use Wrike with your Google Workspace account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.